It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 19th of June. I'm Michael Groff. Another day with slightly below average temperatures here in the valley and dry conditions continuing. As for this weekend, the heat starts to return and we'll see temperatures at or above 110 degrees on most days next week. We're looking out for monsoon moisture and those chances of showers and thunderstorms to come into the southwestern United States. We'll let you know if that is on the horizon as well as we dive in and discuss. Yesterday in the valley, 103 degrees the afternoon high, 76 the morning low, the normals 105 and 78. And outside now here at 7:25 a.m. The sun is shining, clear skies out there, 78 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 36, humidity 22%, the winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, 60 degrees the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 69 in Gilbert, Chandler, and Buckeye, but most of the metro is in the low 70s to low 80s. The upper air look, it's pretty much the same pattern we've had all week, although it is starting to change a bit. We've got a low over Saskatchewan, a trough trails back here into the western states, a ridge in the east, a ridge well to our west as well. And here in Arizona, the skies are clear and the air is dry. Here's the watch warning map. It is very quiet across the country. A number of air quality alerts up around the Great Lakes. Another one there near Little Rock, Arkansas. Some red flag warnings out here in the west as wildfires continue to be the major issue for us. Here's the convective outlook for today. A slight risk of severe storms around Midland, Odessa, and Lubbock, Texas, with a marginal risk extending northward into parts of Colorado and Kansas. Another marginal risk zone for portions of Georgia and Florida. And precipitation for the next 7 days, a big old bag of nothing for us here in Arizona as our typically dry weather pattern holds on here for mid to late June. And we'll detail it now as we look at modeling. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's the trough continuing to slowly progress eastward here across the southwest, heights slightly below average for this time of year. So as a result, with that dry west to northwesterly flow down at the surface, sunny skies, high temperatures in the upper 90s to near 102, just a few degrees shy of average. Tonight, clear skies, and again, the air is dry, conditions relatively pleasant for this time of year. The cool spots get down into the upper 60s. In the urban core, we'll be in the mid 70s. Those dew points should generally be at or slightly above 30. And then tomorrow, sunny skies and a little bit warmer. Highs 103 to 106 as a ridge slowly begins to build in from the west. On Sunday, the ridge continues to strengthen. Dry air continues. Highs 105 to 108. And next week, sunny and dry conditions will prevail every single day. Highs 106 to 109 Monday, 107 to 110 Tuesday. Then on Wednesday and Thursday, highs 109 to 112. This is likely the warmest part of the forecast period as high pressure sits right over top of us. Here's a week from today. This is Friday the 26th, the developing Rex block out over the East Pacific, a dry northwesterly flow here. Temperatures might fall back a couple of degrees, but we'd still be pretty close to 110. And going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period, this is Sunday the 28th. That Rex block really establishing itself across the North Pacific, featuring a 597 ridge. Downstream from that, a very anomalous upper low over the Pacific Northwest coast. And if this solution were to verify, temperatures would fall off several degrees here across the southwestern United States. But that is absolutely not a monsoon look, and we would be very dry in this configuration. And this is a pattern we saw all too often last summer, as I mentioned on the video yesterday. Hopefully this does not verify, but as we look at the European at the same time, again, this is Sunday the 28th, it's got almost an identical solution. 597 ridge over the North Pacific and a downstream fairly prominent trough across the Pacific Northwest and a dry west and southwesterly flow here across Arizona. All right, taking a look at precipitation coming off the European ensemble. There's 51 members here, and about 8 of them have rain for us, but that is not enough to convince me that we're going to see any precipitation over the next couple of weeks. And temperatures off the national blend of models. Well, I hope you enjoyed our below normal weather, because after today, that's out of here. We warm it up tomorrow, and by next week, highs 110 plus, and those overnight lows in the 70s and 80s. And that'll wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. And if you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching. Be safe out there, stay cool, drink plenty of water, And don't forget to watch your kids around the swimming pool. You guys have yourselves a great Friday and a wonderful weekend.